Well, just an odd coincidence today, I received 4 packages of fabric. So I thought it would be fun to do an unboxing video. I was expecting 1, but I was not expecting 4. This one, I'm not even gonna look and see who it's from. I mean, I know what I've ordered, but you know, you order so long ago. Okay. This one is from Backstitch Fabrics, and this is a coordinate for the Halloween fabric, which I still have plenty of. So I'm pretty excited about that. You see how it has the little flecks of color? I love it. It just goes with everything. This is gonna be great for leggings or hoodies. Okay, now let's open this one. This is, oh, I already looked. It's also from Backstitch. It is also Halloween fabric. It is cotton lycra. And I have already used this fabric for leggings and for hoodies. And it's, look at that. Isn't it great? If you look carefully, you can identify the characters. Like, we got Huffalumps and Woozles, which I really like. This is the, you know, the girl in the crystal ball at the Haunted Mansion. She has a name, I can't think of it right now. Who else? Oh, here's, you know, the 3 witches from Hocus Pocus. 1, 2, well, the 3rd one is around here somewhere. According to my receipt, I have 6 yards of that one, which, you know, it's such a great feeling to have plenty of your favorite fabric, because then you don't have to be so careful with it, and you don't have to be so stingy. You can just go ahead and cut something big and special from your favorite fabric without trying to just ration it out. So I'm pretty excited about having so much of that. This one is from HAPA Fabrics. Voodoo Bundle Packs. This is really cute. This is Stitch. He's playing his records. I got some panels. Everybody's having a good time. Let's see, are these the same? I think these are the same. These are different. Oh, these are bigger. These are the adult panels. So cute. Then here's the coordinate. Ah, look at the colors. I'm so excited. I think I might have to cut into this one first. This will definitely be a pullover. I don't want to say hoodie because I don't think I'm going to actually put a hood on it, but this is going to be so good. And this is another piece of the same print. I'm so excited. All right, we have one more. This one is from Wonderground. Oh, this is everything. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, let's see what we got. Okay. This is sort of like an acid wash denim, but it's not really denim. It's really cotton lycra. I just got a yard of it because I wanted to see if I could come up with anything. I just think it's super cool. Here is Scooby Doo. Okay, love it. This is cotton lycra. Look at this. We got the Mystery Machine. We got Scooby and Scrappy and Daphne. And what's the, Velma? Velma, I think is her name. Then we got some villains. I kind of have a Halloween thing going on because it's fun to sew for Halloween. Then here's another piece, the same print, but it's a smaller, like a smaller gauge. I don't know what the word is, but it's smaller. So if you compare, so this is good to make something for, you know, a baby. And this is something for a bigger kid or an adult. And we have some panels. We've got the mystery machine here. So cute. This is another mystery machine. Let's see what else I've got. Oh, this one says squaddles. Oh, cute. Here's the whole squad. Off to save the day. We've got the coordinating stripe, which I've learned to always get plenty of coordinates. It seems like it's fun to have the print, the all over print, but the coordinates are what really makes it come alive. So I'm happy to have this that goes so well with these. Okay, I think I know exactly what I'm gonna make with this. And then I ordered some little patches. Beware of hitchhiking ghosts. So I'm pretty excited and I'm very inspired to get sewing. I'm sure that I'm going to start with the voodoo because I don't know, it's just really so cool. I love it. This is HAPA, this is Wonderground, and the first one was Backstitch. All right, that's it for my unboxing. I hope you enjoyed it.